Hey everyone, today I will guide you on how to disable Copilot in Microsoft Office, Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. First, let's start with Microsoft Word. Simply open any Word document. Next, click on the File tab in the upper left corner. Then select Options. In the Word Options window, go to the Copilot section. Uncheck the box labeled Collapse Copilot Summary automatically. Click OK to save the changes. Next, let's disable Copilot in PowerPoint. Just open any PowerPoint file, click on the File tab, then select Account. In the Account page, click on Manage Settings. Scroll down to find the section called Connected Experiences. Uncheck the option to turn on experiences that analyze your content. Click OK to confirm. Now close all Office applications, including Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. After reopening PowerPoint, Copilot will no longer function. You may see a message saying that connected experiences are required. Now remember what we did just a while ago. The same steps apply for Excel. Just follow along with what I am doing right here, and you should be good to go. That's how you can fully disable Copilot in Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.